September meeting, 18th, we said get out of the dollar. And since that time, since the Fed started lowering rates, the dollar has dropped more than 10% in 6 months. That type of drop is horrendous and quite frightening. Gold and silver are the best ways of protecting yourself from this type of drop. If you bought gold, you would be up 30%. If you bought silver, you would have been up 50% from the time we said get out of the dollar. Those are your perfect inflation hedges. So now let's hear Dave Lee.
Thank you, Darryl. I'm the organizer of New York NYC Forex Traders. Our group has over 200 members. I basically formed this group about 2.5 years ago to instruct Forex traders on money management. So basically, I started my career off being an active trader, and slowly I moved on to becoming a swing trader and position trader. The weakening U.S. dollar, I think everybody should know that the dollar is quite weak right now. If you don't know, that means you're not paying attention. Okay, where should your money be? Currency pairs that are doing well right now. Specifically, I think the euro dollar is the best investment. If you're not in it right now, I wouldn't recommend getting in today because it just made a fresh high as of this afternoon. It made a fresh high. It's actually trading at 155.60. There is no resistance in sight. Okay, possibly the next psychological level is a round number, which would say, fair to say, is 160. Buy the euro against the dollar, if your buys of the pound against the dollar, if your buys of the Australian against the dollar, all three of these are making fresh multi-year highs. Canadian trading at 90 cents as of, I believe, a couple months ago. 5 years ago when I went to Canada, the Canadian was 160. When I went to Canada, I gave them $1 US, they gave me $1.60 back, and it was a great vacation. Okay. Today, as of today, if you go to Canada, I was in Montreal about 4 or 5 weeks ago. I gave them $1 US, they wouldn't even give me $1 back. Okay, they gave me like 95 cents. How do we know that the dollar is going to do worse? If you really want a sense of the trend, I would say you immediately go to the monthly charts. Okay, in the last 30 years, the dollar has depreciated dramatically. I'm not talking about 50% of the value. I'm talking about over, I believe it's over 65%, over 60% of its value. Many signs point to the continued dollar weakness. The U.S. trade deficit is in the trillions. Oil is trading above $100. Gold recently traded at $993. Soon enough, it's going to hit 1,000. If you ask me, would I take profits on gold if I'm long gold right now? Yes, definitely. I would take profits. I do believe gold's going to break the 1,000 mark. So many investors are seeking a better and safe return on investments. Where would you want to put your money? Gold is definitely one of the better options. But if you don't have a risk appetite for gold, because gold is extremely volatile, it's not recommended for new investors. But you can also consider like the euro and the Canadian. In my view, the euro and the Canadian are possibly the two strongest currencies right now. Then wait for the pullback to get into it. The trend is really, really strong. But I would buy it on any correction, any major correction, or possibly minor correction. You may want to scale into your position, get in a little first, and then wait until that position goes in your favor and then get in a little more. When will the U.S. dollar bottom? No one is exactly sure. I mean, right now, if you're trying to pick the bottom of the dollar, it's extremely hard. The dollar is making lows and lows. So when will it stop? We do not know. If you do have a risk appetite, if you're looking to hold it for, I guess, the next 5 years, then I guess you could actually try to pick the bottom. But there's no telling that it might not depreciate another 10, 15, 20%.